And this vehicle has already been installed with the Expel Clear Bra door sill protectant. You can see up close there, you can still see directly through it. It has a bright glossy shine. All right, and now we're going to show you how easy it is to install this clear bra yourself. So this is the back seat, the big wide pattern, and we're going to clean it real good and show you how simple it is to put this on. So we're getting our Expel nice and wet and soapy, and our fingerprints, you want to keep them wet. You don't want fingerprints showing through this clear. All right, so once you get it off, you just don't want to fold it. Other than that, it's pretty resilient. Place it right down, line up the front edge, the edge closest to the door. You don't want to wrap around there. We've designed this to fit into this valley. So you'll see on each side that the edge is not wrapping over. You're at the corner on each side, and with the soap solution that you're going to make, just like 10% soap, you can see how it just squeegees right out. Once we wipe it up, stuff is awesome. It'll have no scratches, no door, no footprint scratches. No one's going to drag your high heels or their shoes over it and scratch up this beautiful pattern. See, after putting it on, it's literally completely translucent, see-through. You can still see the X logo. And it's shiny as glass, just like the reflective seats in your vehicle. And again, this is our brand new item, rpmtesla.com. Thanks again for watching our videos.